Welcome to the project demonstration of hybrid power generation system using solar, wind and piezo plates. In this project we are using 12 volts 12 amp battery, and here we can see the 3 charging circuits, and also we can call as a bridge rectifier, and also here we can see the inverter and the switch and wind energy, windmill, and also here we can see the solar plate and piezo plates. So we can generate the energy through physically through these piezo plates, and also we can see here the solar. So solar will be generated using the light, and here we can see the wind. So based on the wind direction it will be rotate, and it will be rotate. When it will be rotate, then it will generate a power. That power will be given to this bridge rectifier. So these energy outputs are given to this bridge rectifier inputs. So it will protect the reverse power from these components. So these components are produce a less amount of energy, even that time battery polarity is more than this power. So it will be come back again to this motors. So even that time this will be burned. That's why we are providing a bridge rectifier for the reverse current, for the protection of these components. So here we can see, so this one is a wind energy, and this one is a solar, and this one is a piezo. So here we can see these are the inputs, and these are the outputs of this bridge rectifier. So outputs of this bridge rectifier will be connected to this battery. Then using these energies, this battery will be stored. And also we are providing we can charge this battery using transformer. So here we can see we are removing this piezo plate and placing transformer. And now here we can see it is step down transformer. It will take 230 volts of input. So here we can see, so 230 volts of input using, we are providing the power supply through this power cable. So it will step down up to 12 volts. That 12 volts will be given to this bridge rectifier. Then bridge rectifier will be converted into DC. That DC will be given to this battery. So here we can see the light indication, which means battery get charging. And also here we can see the wind. When will be wind rotated, here we can see the light indication, which means battery get charging. And also here we can see the switch for this inverter. So if I on this switch, so we can connect AC load also. So here we can see the bulb glow, it is an AC load. And also we can charge our phone using this USB. So if I on this one, so we can see it will be charging. And also these rectifiers will be work as a polarity correctors. In this way this project will be works. Thanks for the watching.